happens when well, what happened with me is I kept on finding my battery was flat. In the mornings, overnight it would drain. So I put a new battery in it, and after putting the new battery in, I noticed a noise just came out like a fan noise. It was constantly on. Even when the car was on or off, that noise was constantly on. It wasn't the heater from inside, that blower, it wasn't that, because I turned that off. And it wasn't the radiator cooling fan either. So when I outside the car, had a look at the radiator, it wasn't that. The noise was coming from the left wheel arch, as if it was like under the wheel well or something like this. Anyway, after a bit of research, I found out it was the auxiliary heater, and it was spazzing out, so it was staying out or randomly coming on. The reason I didn't realise it before is because my battery had gone so weak, and this auxiliary heater, it turns itself off when it gets to 11.5 volts, the battery. So it's not powerful enough to start your car, and it just drains your battery totally out. And that the switch on it knocks it out. Anyway, how do I fix this? Because the auxiliary heater is an extra thing and it's not really something necessary, it's just a preheater. It just makes your passenger compartment heated up quicker. So it's not a necessity. All I did is, if you look on the passenger side fuse box, on the left hand side fuse box of the car, the fuse box is in 3 columns, A, B and C. It's fuse A5. It's fuse A5 is for the auxiliary heater. Just pull that fuse out, that noise goes away straight away, and your battery won't drain anymore. And another thing, with when I changed the battery on this car, a lot of people were saying, oh, it's a nightmare, it's under the seat, it's hard to get to and everything. It's not. It's very easy to do. The only thing you need is the bolts that you need to undo at the front of the seat, are actually triple square bit 10mm tool that you need. And it's quite hard to get hold of. I couldn't get hold of any local, so I had to get it online. Don't be trying it with the Torx. If you try it with the Torx, it'll damage the bolt, and that bolt will never come out unless you suffer a lot and do a lot of hard work to get that one out. So if just do it right from the start, do it with the right tool, and it's a really easy job changing the battery. The seat just swivels back as soon as you take them bolts out, and behind the rail of the seat there's 2 plastic covers. You just clip them off. You don't need to take any more bolts off behind the seat. Just take them, the plastic clips, they just pull off, so it allows the seat to swivel back. And it's just them 2 bolts at the front, the triple square bits, 10mm. Take them off. The seat swivels up, and then you got enough room there to change the battery. Anyway, hope this video helps somebody. If you're having this problem where your battery's draining overnight and there's a weird noise coming from the wheel outside like a fan, but it's not your inside fan or the outside fan, just pull the fuse A5 out on the left hand compartment fuse box, and your problem will be gone.